In Malaysia, hospitals are in need of epidemic prevention supplies and have asked NGOs for help. Johor Bahru Tzu Chi volunteers have made face shields for many of them, and now they have also started sewing protective clothing.
Asking a medical professional to put on a protective clothing, volunteers want to know if it meets the standards.
As soon as I got the sample, I took it apart and then I drew a sketch of the parts. Then I sewed a sample to show other people. He said, "It is fine, no problem."
Volunteers are turning cloth provided by the government hospital into protective clothing. To recruit sewing volunteers, city volunteers call people on the phone and posted messages on social media.
A friend who saw the message asked me to come help out. This is not very difficult to sew, but drawing a sketch is a bit troublesome since we did not know this. In the past, I've never sewed anything like this. This is my first time doing this.
An entrepreneur who runs a uniform factory has come to Johor Bahru Tzu Chi with an electric cutter. He turns the dining table into a cutting bed.
The electric cutter is used at our factory to cut large amounts of thick cloth. Usually my workers would be doing the cutting. Today, I'm doing it myself. I haven't done this in 10 or 20 years. I hope I can finish cutting them in 2 days.
A dentist who understands the importance of protective clothing has come to Tzu Chi to contribute her efforts.
I am a dentist. Since the clinic is closed, I have nothing to do. I know that doctors have a hard time finding these supplies because we dentists could not get them starting in January. So I believe doctors need them even more.
Some volunteers are responsible for delivering the cloth to sewing volunteers' houses and then transporting the finished products back to Jingsi Hall.
Thank you for your donation. It allows us to continue serving our patients. Thank you very much.
During the epidemic, Johor Bahru Tzu Chi volunteers work as a team to provide the medical staff with needed supplies.